Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optronics ONE LED RV taillight. This is for the passenger side of your RV. This is a rectangular RV taillight that's going to serve three functions such as your stop light, tail light, and turn signal light. The ONE series is a unique design. It's going to provide bright light using fewer diodes when compared to other LED lights and systems. It's going to feature durable surface mount technology, that's SMT construction, when it comes to the construction of the LED circuit board. That's going to better withstand shock and vibration. It's going to allow for improved heat distribution. Now, it is an LED system. LEDs are going to make great replacements for incandescent lights. They're going to last much longer. They're going to burn brighter. They're much more efficient. You don't have to worry about replacing bulbs. You don't have to worry about brittle filaments. This unit's going to feature a white ABS plastic base with a red acrylic lens that can easily be replaced if needed. To remove the lens, I find it easiest to just get a flathead screwdriver, place it in this area here, push it down, and then simply just pry the lens from the housing, and it allows it to remove. So a really easy design when it comes to replacing the lens if you ever need to for any certain reason. And then to put the lens back on, just line up the nibs with those connection slots and simply push it back down until it engages for a secure tight fit around the housing. Again, this is designed to be a surface mount installation. It's going to mount on the surface of the RV. Hardware is not included. It's going to contain 4 mounting holes. To gain access to those, you will need to have the lens removed. It's also going to have a 3-wire design, white wires for ground, black wires for the taillight, green wires for your stop and turn signal. The unit's also Department of Transportation compliant, so it meets FMVSS 108 and CMVSS 108 requirements when it comes to automotive lighting. Again, this is designed for the passenger side. We're going to take a few measurements real quick, starting with the overall length, measuring from edge to edge. That's going to give a measurement of about 8 5/8 of an inch long. The overall height, that's going to measure 3 3/16 of an inch tall. And then the overall depth, that's going to give us a measurement of about 2 1/4 of an inch deep. The mount holes on the unit, center on center, go in this direction, are going to be separated by 1 7/8 of an inch. And then going across this direction, measuring center on center, these are going to be separated, looks to be 7 3/8 of an inch. When it comes to the power draw, at 12.8 volts, the stop light is 0.34 amps, turn signal is 0.01 amps, tail light is 0.094 amps. Optronics is going to put a lifetime warranty on the LEDs, and I want to go ahead and hook it up to our external power source. That way you can see what it looks like with power running to it. We'll also be able to turn off our overhead lights so you can see it in a low light setting. Again, white wire is our ground, black wires for the tail lights, the running lights, and then green wire is going to be for our stop and turn signal. So as you can see here, it sends out a really nice, consistent signal. This is the running light function of this light. If we apply the brakes, you can see how that illuminates for a stronger signal output. It's going to do the same thing when we activate our turn signal. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics ONE LED RV taillight for the passenger side.